I'm Sam Jennings.
My name is Lucy Tomlinson.
My name is Jamie May.
My name's Amelia Fox.
I'm a scheduler and I'm a level 0 apprentice.
And I'm a project analyst apprentice here at MP.
I am from the Bristol hub and my role is a senior consultant.
My role is a project analyst apprentice and I'm based in Cumbria.
The MPower Apprenticeship we have at MP is based on a 4-day working week and 1-day university at the University of Cumbria.
So I came in as a year 2. I've already done a previous apprenticeship and I came here, and MPower was really inclusive to that and really helped me kind of gather my feet and really helped me get on my first engagement and learn the skills that I needed.
I joined the apprenticeship when it was advertised within the business because I don't have a degree myself, and I knew that I did always want to get a degree. Like, I'm very passionate about learning, and MIGSO-PCUBED have supported me in that. I just asked the question, am I able to do the apprenticeship as well? And being a senior consultant, that didn't hold me back at all.
So a lot of my time is meeting client requests, building up schedules primarily for the client, as well as some other activities. That's Monday, Tuesday. On a Wednesday, I'll be at university from home. Thursday, Friday, again, working for client. And in between that, I do various other activities for MP.
Getting back into that learning environment was quite new for me. I've been out of education for quite some time now. So it is at Cumbria University, but we don't have to travel there every single week, thank goodness. So it's all online and there's a lot of mixture of things. So there's lectures, there's self-study.
And with the support of specialists in MP and in my client site have really helped me to progress. And then it's kind of helped me in my apprenticeship as well, because I'm currently learning about agile methodology and I'm doing agile methodology, so it's really helpful.
If you've got a thirst for learning and you really enjoy working as well, then it's a really good opportunity to start straight away to earn as you learn and then get all of the mentorship and knowledge as you progress throughout your career.